Welcome back to my channel, guys. And in today's video, I'll be doing some honey jerk shrimp deviled eggs. And for this recipe, we're going to be starting by seasoning our shrimp. I'll be using some green seasoning, some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, olive oil, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, some shrimp seasoning, and some salt and black pepper. Let's get right into the recipe. So I went ahead with that salt, black pepper. So for the shrimp seasoning, I'm using the Knorr shrimp bouillon, my green seasoning as well, and the jerk seasoning. And I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. Massage everything together, cover it with some plastic wrap, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Now we get ready for the shrimp. And next, we're going to go in with some honey. Now we're going to start with our eggs. I like going in with just a teaspoon of vinegar, and that helps the eggs to peel quicker. So I start with that, and then I start adding the eggs. So the eggs are done, and I place them into a cold water bath. And next, I'm just going to remove the shell, slice them in half, remove the yolks, place it to a side, and start to assemble. So I separated the yolks, and now I'm going to place these to a side and start on my yolks. So I'm going to start by crushing my yolks. And in here, I have relish and mustard. Here I have some mayo. I will be adding just a little bit of that jerk seasoning to here. And I also have some salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. I'm going to mix it all together, and I'll be right back. Now we're going to start to assemble. Now I put the yolk into the Ziploc bag, and I used a piping tip. And I'm just going to go around the edges, because we're putting the shrimp in the middle. I'm just going to place the shrimp in the middle. And this is how it looks. Beautiful. I'm going to do the rest off camera, and I will be right back. And this is how they look. Perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to you guys tuning in to the next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.